Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting work on Avery's 1971 Super Beetle. This is a Marina blue car. He pulled it out of someone's backyard and he got it for 50 bucks. Now this car has some major rust issues, worse than my 67, but I think it's definitely worth fixing, especially because of the price. So let me do a walk around and show you all the things it needs. Now the biggest repair on this car is probably going to be the heater channels along with the floor pans. Both of those have rotted out in the past 20 or 30 years. So they'll need to be replaced with high quality parts. All four fenders need to be replaced, and these quarter panels are not looking too good either. The wheels will also have to go. Here is the Beetle's engine. I believe this is the original case, but you can see it is missing a whole bunch of components and will definitely need a full rebuild. Now the interior isn't actually that bad. This is probably the best part of the car. It's got the original radio, seats, and some aftermarket carpet. Now the seats can definitely be saved and so can the dashboard. The carpet's definitely going to have to go and get replaced though. The back seat is the worst part of the interior, along with the headliner has a whole bunch of rips in it, so that'll need to be replaced too. Overall, I think this is an excellent restoration project for Avery, especially for the price. A few $1,000s and he'll have a good running car. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to see more VW content and more of this 71 Super. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.